You can upload your AI-generated music to Spotify and start earning from streams. For example, I earned $83 from 35,000 plays. If you want to do the same, make sure to watch the video until the end to learn how.
Acting all tough, but you got no heart. I've been through the beat like you play through flesh. Step to me once, now you beg for less. I don't play games, I ain't here for the talk. I leave them in chalk parties outlined in the block. Run your mouth fast.
Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how you can create rap and other genres of music without using your voice or writing lyrics. For this, we will use AI-powered music production tools like Udio.com. With these tools, you can create your own beats, vocals, and melodies in just a few clicks and have a piece of music that's all your own. If you want to make professional music without playing any instruments, recording vocals, or writing lyrics, watch this video till the end. Now, I show you how to do it step by step. First, we need to generate a prompt for the AI. The prompt we create will instruct the AI to write lyrics in the music genre of our choice. For this video, I will create a prompt specifically for rap lyrics. This will allow the AI to generate original rap lyrics based on the given instructions. Now, let's write the perfect prompt and see how the AI composes a rap song. Now that our prompt is ready, it's time to bring our AI-generated rap to life. Step 1. Go to Udio and click Create. Once on the Udio website, click the Create button to start the music generation process. Step 2. Choose your generation method. Here, we have two powerful options. 1. Use a pre-written prompt. This allows the AI to generate both lyrics and music based on the instructions we've provided. 2. Select an artist's voice. By choosing this option, we can make the AI sing the generated lyrics in a style that matches our chosen genre and vibe. For this video, we'll go with the first option. Simply paste the prompt into the input field and click Create. Step 3. Watch the AI generate a rap song. Now, the AI will analyze the prompt and generate a brand new rap track with custom lyrics and an original beat. In just a few moments, we'll have a fully produced song, without recording a single word ourselves. Let's see what kind of rap the AI creates. Blast off!
Made the diamond, I don't break, now I create. They never saw me coming out and looking up. Hustle in my veins, they didn't need no love. Been crying in the mud, had a belief for a spot. Got my name in their mouth, by the 24, give it watch. Came from the trenches for Hogan the race. Told her since I was 5 of my days. Mom was crying, no food on the place. Had to make move out, weekend away.
Never saw me coming, now they looking up. Hustle in my veins, I ain't never need no love. Had to grind in the mud, had to bleed for the spot. And now my name in their mouth like a 24-karat watch. Came from the trenches for hook, it's a break. Bullets and tires was blood my day. Mama was grinding, foot on the plate. Had to make moves, I was done with the weight outside. In the booth, pushing like a king. Every guy's in it, line like spin. Play him for the tongue, side and win step. Standing the camp with bricks. That was a recap, this cause never manifest face to the rise or fall. It's on me, no escape. I was built for the storm.
Don't forget to subscribe and like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more AI-powered music tutorials. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of music you want to create next.